Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the LG AN-MR500G Magic Remote Control Dynamic Smart 3D TV Remote Control Replacement TV Controller. This is a game-changing product that will take your TV viewing experience to the next level. First of all, let's talk about the convenience factor. This remote control is incredibly easy to use. There's no need for any programming or pairing, simply install a new battery and you're good to go. It's compatible with the LG AN-MR500G Magic Remote, and the launch distance is more than 15 meters, so you can control your TV from anywhere in the room. Not only is this remote easy to use, but it's also made from high-quality ABS environmental protection material, ensuring reliable performance and a long service life. It's also compact, measuring 158 x 58 x 39 millimeters, so it's comfortable to hold and won't take up too much space in your living room. One thing to note is that this remote control doesn't come with batteries, so you'll need to purchase two AAA batteries separately. But once you've got those, you'll be all set to enjoy the convenience and functionality of this fantastic remote control. So if you're ready to take your TV viewing experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the LG AN-MR500G Magic Remote Control Dynamic Smart 3D TV Remote Control Replacement TV Controller. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your TV experience. Hit that link and get your hands on this amazing remote control today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and recommendations.